Now, after taking out the spindle, you're gonna have to remove the pulley here, and then remove the bolts, and then the lid. Then you're gonna have to loosen the set screws and take this one out. Now, there's this pin on this side. You're gonna have to hit the pin with a bolt from here, and then push the main part like that, and take it all out. You're gonna have to loosen the set screws and take the nut out. First of all, you're gonna have to remove this bearing, then you're gonna have to remove this part, and then you're gonna see something like a pin, like a pipe, and then you're gonna push it out, and then the smaller part is gonna come, and then you're gonna have to take this bearing out as well. Since they are the old bearings and they are probably broken, it doesn't matter if you damage them.